Rivulet.
Oh lord. Ultra skunk!
Alright. There we go.
So funny. What the fuck?
It's not the only one.
Lord.
Well, we were on garbage waste, weren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking. Also,
What the fuck? Are they all doing a fucking eyebrow?
I love that one.
I feel like with the Saint, it's just like whenever
Oh,
whenever it does like the fucking blast or whatever the fuck it does, he just goes like, "Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose." Yeah, now everything is correct. That should not be as funny as it is.
No, no.
Well, okay, fuck you.
Yeah, I hate those things. Oh, right. You might want to back up for this.
The what? What the fuck?
Pay very close attention to my rivulet's face.
Jesus! What the fuck is that? Ah! Ah! You sent me flying all the way over here! Jesus Christ! Which one is the what
Hey,
mod do you have
Jonathan.
that fucks up with the split screen though?
That one.
Why does that one fuck up the split screen?
Because in solo mode, it's meant to like zoom in on your fucking face whenever we do that.
Oh, that's weird.
Here, take the spear back. I just want the food. And then we also need to grab that you might want to back up for this real quick.
Jesus!
There's one mod that I couldn't find
Did
and
I just
really
do a
sad
fucking
about.
flip? What was that shit?
Yeah. So if you very quickly change directions while running and you press A at the same time, well, you press jump at the same time, you do a flip.
Well, yeah, I know about that one. I just didn't expect it to be that high.
Well, yeah, you saw me doing that as Rivulet before. Hold on, let me grab another speeder. I think we can make that jump if we just wall jump to the pipe. Or that works too, I guess. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, let me go first.
Alright.
Do you want this? Okay, now we go. We could grab those explosive spears.
Well, I already grabbed one.
Yeah, just be careful because the garbage worms will try and take them. Be careful, vultures can spawn in this area. There's also those guys. Whoa! Calm down! Remember, don't... We've got to help them.
Where did the fuck go?
I don't know. Alright, fuck it, let's just go. Just stay... Actually, you don't... Hold on, let me carry you on my back for this, because that's the only way you're immune to my fucking ability.
Alright.
Okay, grab your spear.
There we go.
Throw it. I think that actually might have... Oh! I didn't even see the one up to the right. Oh my god. I think I scared them. Wait. Oh. Never mind. I was just about to say, maybe they're...
another pearl down there.
Yeah, I know that we need it to progress. Here's your pearl. Fucking take it. Can you wave this through now? Yep. Okay. You see that little hand sign that one in the front?
Yeah, I
was doing?
saw that.
Yeah, that basically means hey, you can go on through.
Yeah, I remember that from a video that I found.
Thank God we're reveal it.
Jesus.
That's not what I meant to do. My bad. As powerful as my eyebrows are, they can't save us from the rain. Wait, up here.
We're not in the thing.
Oh no, I was eating the pearl.
Jesus.
I didn't know where you went.
It still has the eyebrow raise.
Yeah. Oh, he's showing us looks to the moon.
Nice.
Okay, they're gonna let me. Continue. Come on, there we go.